We are presenting Robatech and Leary glue application solutions for folding carton producers with quality inspection to help our customers produce cartons to higher quality more efficiently than ever before. Starting with carton serialization, we're able to individually identify each individual product for traceability and to help our customers track products no matter where they end up in the supply chain. Moving directly on to full carton print inspection, we're able to scan 100% of the printed surface of the carton, looking for the smallest defects to ensure the quality is perfect. We then move on to Braille inspection, where our camera technology scans the Braille on every carton to ensure that all of the dots individually are perfectly placed on the carton and the Braille is in fact the correct Braille for that carton. The pharma code reader protects our customers from sending mixed product to their customer. Every carton is scanned individually to ensure it's the correct type, so no mixed product reaches our customers. The laser barcode reader is able to read all EAN and UPC type barcodes. Again, this is protecting our customers from sending mixed product to their customer, resulting in what can be expensive and time-costly complaints. The Robatech SpeedStar hot melt glue application valve is the fastest in the industry. The unique technology from Robatech is able to place very tiny spots of glue on the product, which can be useful for various applications. It's combined with Leary quality inspection technology, so we're detecting the glue to make sure it's in exactly the right position on every carton. Moving now on to the slot coating technology from Robatech, which is able to place pressure-sensitive hot melt adhesive on each individual carton in a very clean and precise way. This is perfect for e-commerce packaging, which is a growing business in today's changing folding carton industry. The new Leary cold glue valve, Quantum 2, is the fastest and most precise glue valve we've ever made, delivering quality and efficiency and high-speed production. Moving directly now to the 2D code scanning technology from Leary. The I-code is able to scan 2D codes at maximum machine speeds, ensuring that the correct product is inserted or is delivered to the customer. Leary View Glue is vision-based technology and is protecting our customers from glue splashes and very small particles of glue placed on the carton incorrectly. The vision system is able to scan 100% of the surface of the carton, ensuring that no glue is outside of its target area. All of these valuable components are combined into the Leary array control system. Through this system, every carton is securely tracked all the way through the machine to a rejection device or to be delivered to the customer. All bad cartons are securely rejected out of the line with no manual intervention required. All of these technologies combined create the most value for our customers. Both Leary products and technologies combined with Robatech technology makes the strongest solution for our customers.